Come on, pick up. Nathan, hey, just tell me quickly, did you just get a text off me? Oh, no. Okay, let's put it this way. I wish I'd never put your name as Nathan in my phone. I was in a rush and it's right next to... No.
Hello, love.
How you doing?
Hey, do you fancy a brew?
Yeah, sounds great.
Oh, come on then, come on in. Did your mum get that window fixed in the end?
I'm not sure, Nan. I think she's getting someone round to fix it.
Ah, well, she better hurry up. I mean, fancy a pigeon being so stupid, making a mess all over her carpet.
Why don't you give her a call?
Oh, no, I don't like bothering her. I mean, she's got enough to be getting on with your father's knee.
Yeah, he's driving her mad, really.
How's college?
Yeah, not bad. Exams start next week.
Now, listen, I appreciate you calling in, love, but shouldn't you be home studying then? I mean, I don't want you failing on my account.
I heard that you weren't well, so I thought I'd pop round.
How's that boyfriend of yours then?
Yeah, you know, fine.
Don't worry, love. I've lived through the 60s. There's nothing on there that I've not seen already. Here. Do you fancy hobnob?